dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Cowart's Journey, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment down below once the video is done. So today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be using the Olaplex number 3, 4, and 5. I did a video recently about it, so if you have not checked that video out, just look at the cards here, and then also it will be listed in the description. So without further ado, let's get into this wash day, boo-boo. That when I use the Olaplex number 3 on my hair, like saturating my hair with this product, my hair immediately felt silky soft. My hair immediately feels soft. Now when applying the Olaplex number 3, you want to make sure that your hair is damp. You also want to make sure that you do dry it a little bit with the towel. Applying this as generously as possible. They say to do from the scalp, from the roots to the ends, in which that's what I did. I just made sure that my whole hair was going to, every strand, if I can help it, I'm going to make sure that every strand is going to absorb the product. Now it says to wash it out or leave it on for, it says leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes. You all know me, I'm not going to leave it on for no 10 minutes. It does state that you can leave it on for a longer desire. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to do some things around the house. I'm going to leave it on for at minimum an hour. It's going to be my goal, because the longer that you leave it on, you'll get better results, and then you'll follow up with your shampoo and conditioner. So guys, so it's now time to rinse out my hair. I do want to make sure that I remember to tell you all I did detangle my hair off camera, so my hair was combed through with a large comb. I know you all are probably going to mention about me using a towel. I know, I'll use a shirt next time. I want to mention though that my hair does feel extremely soft. That's the first thing that I noticed. It just feels very moisturized and it feels very soft. But we're gonna go ahead and follow up with the shampoo. Lord have mercy, I did not mean to put this much shampoo on my hair. Oh my god, 28 bucks and I've already wasted so much of it. But I want to mention to you all, when using the shampoo, my hair didn't feel stripped. It didn't feel like it was squeaky clean. It felt, again, soft. It felt silky, buttery. Like, this product is amazing. Hey dolls, enjoying the video so far? Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel as well as clicking the notification bell to be notified of all my many videos that I love to post. Make sure you also comment down below on any questions that you may have on any video. Now let's get back to the video. Follow up with my number 5, which is the conditioner. It says to leave it on there for like 3 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna leave it on for what, maybe 20 minutes at max. So let's get into the conditioner. I do want to add that my hair feels extremely soft. Okay, ladies, so finally we have reached the conditioner. My hair felt soft, it felt strong. Like, I didn't even know the hair could feel so soft but yet so strong. Like, I was actually just tugging on the hair because I was really surprised how strong my hair felt. So this product definitely gets a thumbs up from me. If you've used the Olaplex before, make sure you all indicate it down in the description or in the comment section below. My hair again felt repaired, restored, hydrated. This is going to be a product I'm going to keep on my shelf. Before I let you go, I just wanted to mention to you all how strong yet soft my hair feels. I literally feel like it made a difference. Oh my god, it just feels so soft, like it's absorbed every bit of the product, and it's benefiting from it, if I can talk. But I just want to mention that to you all so I didn't forget later on in the video. But make sure you all subscribe, like, and comment, and let me get to my dog because he is a mess. So I'll see you all later. Bye.